Okay, Casey, I wanted to record a quick screencast just to show you how to set up your portfolio. So it's more than just uploading your documents to the file manager, it's actually to set up a physical portfolio. So when you log into LiveText, you're going to go into your LiveText docs, and then from here you're going to click New. And I believe the portfolio that's being used for this program is Leadership, but just go ahead and make sure you confirm that with your instructor. Under the Brandman University, you're just going to click the drop down next to Portfolio Templates. And as you can see, there are a lot here. So you're going to want to pick Leadership Portfolio. Again, just confirm with Dr. Zerger-Wynn that this is the correct one. So you'll come here and then you'll click Create. And you'll just want to rename it. So I'm going to go ahead and just put my first name in front of there so that it is my Leadership Portfolio. And then from here, you can see there's placeholders for everything that I need to load into the portfolio. So anything that you need to attach, you can click the little edit icon here, or you can come over here and click it. So from here, I can, let's say I need to upload my, my resume. What I'm going to do is I can type it in here, or I can insert an attachment. So here I'm going to go to Edit, and you can see it'll pull from my file manager if I have files that are in here. If not, I'm going to go to Upload New over here in the upper right hand corner. So if my resume isn't in here, then what I'm going to do is upload and go and browse my computer. So right here I'll choose the file, and it's going to pull up all my files for me. And then once you pick one, it'll attach, and then you'll click Save and Finish. So again, you'll go through each of the areas and do the same steps. If you have your file already there and available within the file manager, you can just pull it from there. So let's say my technology badges. This I would need to attach. So I can click Edit, and again I can scroll down here to where it says File Attachments, Edit, and then upload a new file, choose my file, find it on my computer, and attach it. Okay, I hope that helps. If not, please reach out again. Thanks.